Okay, let's start with page 9. Duane Davis, C377407. You, Mr. Davis? All right, Mr. Davis is present in custody with Mr. Cano and Mr. Arroyo from the Special Public Defender's Office. For the state, we have Mr. Blal and Mr. Duane. We're on for trial setting. You guys discuss dates.
Yes, Your Honor. I think we've come to an agreement for June 3rd.
Okay, let me make sure that date works. I think it does, but let's see what's happening. We'll make it work. All right, so June 3rd at 9:30 a.m. We'll do a calendar call of
May 28th.
May 28th at 9 a.m.
Yes.
And then we'll do a status check in 60 days on discovery, experts, etc. Anything else we need to discuss today?
Yes, Your Honor. You did submit a stipend order to extend the time to file a writ of habeas corpus.
Okay.
The grand jury transcripts were 8 volumes, and we just received the exhibits yesterday afternoon, so the state has agreed to give us some time to review all that.
So it looks like you've agreed to give defense up to December 26th of this year to file any writs of habeas corpus.
Yes, Your Honor.
And then the standard time frames would apply regarding responses and replies?
Well, I think we had an agreement that if we needed more time, that they'd give us more time,
Okay.
but, we also, the discovery is about as voluminous as I've ever had in my career. I told them they should start getting it starting today or tomorrow.
Okay. Is it e-discovery largely, or is it all going to be paper?
It is e-discovery, luckily, because it's the SPD. We have an agreement that we don't have to redact for the SPD. So our problem was going to be redacting all of that, but now that we can send it over to them and they have people to redact, we'll do it that way.
Sounds good.
It is voluminous. We've been talking about it.
All right. Anything else, Mr. Cano, for today?
No, that's it.
Anything else for the state?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, great. We'll see you. Did you already give them
I did not.
the 60-day date?
That's January 9th at 9 a.m.
They were back here on January 9th.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you.
Right, this story comes to us courtesy of KNTV News in Las Vegas. Keefe D's murder trial is set for next summer. And his trial date is going to be on June 3rd, 2024. But he's due back in court for a status check on January 3rd, 2024. So yeah, as most of us know, Keefe D is pretty much held without bail. I guess they think he's going to be a flight risk, so which is why he's without bail at the moment. So, and he's currently being represented by 2 public defenders. And it is mentioned that Ross Goodman, son of former Mayor Oscar Goodman, who was a mob lawyer, and he's best known for serving as an attorney for Tony Spilotro. If we know Tony Spilotro, he was famously played by Joe Pesci in Casino, but they changed his name to Nicky Santoro. So, yeah, so Goodman hopes to represent Davis somewhere down the line. So we're just gonna see about that. The death penalty is currently off the table as far as the case go. Now, Gene Deal on one of his recent videos said that Keefe D made a boss move. And you know what that boss move was? Now, most of his viewers were stumped. I think there was like over 200 and some odd people in the chat, and they were stumped. So the boss move that he claimed that Keefe D made was getting a trial by judge instead of a trial by jury. Because if he got a trial by jury, then the chances are the jury would be prejudicial towards Keefe D. But be that as it may, there's no guarantee that the judge is going to be the same way with Keefe D as well. Because as I said in my previous video about this, the administration of Las Vegas, the municipality, and the court of Clark County, they're looking to send a message, and Keefe D is going to be the face of that message as far as crime goes in Vegas. Because Keefe D did the ultimate insult in Vegas. One, he was part of a crime which resulted in an unliving of Tupac Shakur. And two, after the dust settled, Keefe D relocated from Compton to Henderson, Nevada, which is a suburb of Vegas, to live not too far from the scene of the crime. So yeah, the people there that are running Las Vegas, they see this as an affront, and they're going to make this affront right. So I mean, yeah, there may be a chance that the judge may follow the letter of the law as far as the case goes, but I'm not holding my breath on it. I think the fix is already in. As it says in this article, Keefe D faces life in prison. The prosecution isn't going to seek the death penalty. So best believe that Keefe D is pretty much at least with the death penalty, there was a date set for his departure. But with life is pretty much just water torture. So there you have it. That's an update on Keefe D's story. So audience, tell me what you think. Let me know in the comment box. This is Iron Wheel Media.